put your jack in place also, in case that one gives up. Also, to take the shoe off, you need 13mm for these two. For the whole caliper, it's 21 for the back two. And to bleed, you're gonna need 10mm later to bleed. So I am flushing the whole system and filling up with new brake fluid. I did the other side, so half of the canister is gone. I'm gonna do this other half when I put everything together. And then to put the new one, I'm gonna take the clips off. Put new clips on. Then once this is on, we'll add the brakes after. I have to chisel this bolt out. I don't like these stars, so I'm gonna chisel this off in order to remove the disc. Then we'll put a new disc and put everything back together.
Dostojnu vojsku.